Hello guys, welcome. This tutorial is strictly for people who want to purchase a VPS, which is virtual private server, for their cloud PC so they can do a robotic trading. Okay, so let's say you've been given a VPS link by your sponsor. You click on the link. When it opens, this is the website. It will open for you to purchase your VPS. We have several VPS providers, okay, so that you know. If you have already a VPS from somewhere else, you can continue to use it. But if you don't, you can use this link. It will be provided in the description. Then you purchase your VPS, okay. So when you come to the website over here, you click on the menu here. You check the pricing so you know which kind of VPS suits you. So we recommend everyone should go for the standard plan. Okay, we have basic plan, which is very little, but standard plan is okay. It's okay, you can use it for a normal trading. Okay, so with your standard plan, let's say you click on configure, then you go and choose. These are the details of your standard plan. We have different cycles. If you want a 1 month, this is a 1 month cycle. You can check here, choose your billing cycle. If you want a 1 month, you pay approximately $10 or $11 in total with the fees. If you want 3 months, every single month you are charged 8.54. So multiply it by 3, that will be your total. If you want 6 months, if you want 12 months, if you want 24 months. So regularly, a lot of people, since the robot system will work for you for the whole year, so we recommend you go for the 12-month package, and it will show you the total you are paying here below, 110.28 USD. And when you continue, you're gonna pay let's say continue. You now come here. Now you want to select your payment method. Okay, so check out. So you have to register an account here. So you put in your details and all your credentials. Make sure everything is correct. For instance, if you are putting your name, okay, don't put it like this. You see, when I type on Michael and immediately I selected it from my pop-up, it gives me a space here, so I have to check. Go back. Yeah, so now there is no space. All your details you are filling all the way through, make sure there are no spaces, so that you will not keep repeating yourself over and over again. And when you come to choosing the city, automatically it's on the United States. So kindly go down here and change it to your country first. Okay, first of all you change it to your country, then you select the city. Sometimes the city is there automatically, sometimes you have to type it in there. All right, so let's say I select Ghana. Okay, and now I come to the city, then means I have to type it now. Okay, yes, you see, I have to delete something here. Even let me make it small letters, so it's much convenient that way. Okay, and so on, and put in the state and the postal code and all that. If you don't know your postal code, just put your country mobile phone code. For instance, if you are a Ghanaian, your country mobile phone code should be 00233, right? If you are Nigerian, 234, and so on. If you are let's say you are a Jordanian, 00962 and so on. All right, yeah, this is just an example, guys. This is just an example for you guys. Yeah, and then you put in your password and all that. Then there is a security question. Make sure you choose from these 3 questions which one you want to answer. This is a security question. In case you have issue with your account here, you might be asked by the website who provide you with your VPS to answer a security question that shows that you are the real owner of this account. It's just a second layer of security. For instance, someone might choose a date of birth, someone might choose what city you were born, or who is your favorite sport player. All right, so for instance, let's say I choose who is your favorite sports player, and the answer, for instance, I want to put in Cristiano Ronaldo. I put like C dot Ronaldo. Anything I put here, I'm not gonna see it. It's going to be blank. Okay, but I know it at the back of my head what I really written down. Okay, yeah, this is just an example, right? So when you finish all this, then you come to the payment method here. You can pay via crypto, USDT, BTC, USDC, or credit card, or you can pay with credit card or PayPal. Okay, so most of us who like to use a crypto payment option. So once you put your crypto payment option here, you mark you have agreed, then you click on complete order. You click on this complete order. Okay, so let me log into my account and show you what will pop up next. So guys, let's say I'm choosing to pay with crypto. I have read all the agreement, complete order. It's gonna take me to the next page where I have to select which crypto I'm using to make the payment. Alright, so I'm gonna pay the total of 110.28. so select currency. I come here, I select USDT for instance, and the network, of course, I'm taking BEP20, which has a very low to zero fees, Binance Smart Chain network, if you have it. If you don't have, there are a lot of varieties, okay, for you guys. Okay, this is just an example. There are a lot of varieties you can use to make payment. So now I click on proceed to payment. Upon clicking on proceed to payment, you see right here, this is the address I have to copy and make the payment to, the amount of 110.32 with the fees, okay, with the very little fees attached to it. Okay, so now I click to copy, then I go to my my Binance. Okay, if you have a Binance account, Bybit, Coinbase, any kind of platform, or even maybe a non-custodian wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask or all that, you can go there and make your payment from there. Okay, now when I send my payment to this particular payment method and the payment is completed, I'm gonna come back to my page here and wait, and it's gonna tell me payment completed. When everything is completed successfully, then I will be prompt in my email, and then I'll receive my VPS setup within the next 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'm gonna receive my VPS login details. Okay guys,